This is my online server. It's called CrowdCompany.Online and I will use it for my AI projects. So let's see if we can install the N8N project. I've already installed active pieces and Flowise. So let's say I want to add a new project, call that N8N. Let's fill the description and click on continue. This is my production environment. And here I can add a new resource. N8N is the one that I'm interested in. One is without and the other one with a database. So let's do the first one. I want to rename the service and save it. And I would like to simplify the web address. We have two more description fields here. So this should be it. Let's click on save. Now we can click on deploy. And this could take a while. I hope it's working. I had some issues with the Flowise installation, and I guess it's about the ports that have been used. This is a Docker installation, so a lot of stuff is running in the background. Now it's creating the containers. We should see that the service is online, but actually it's not. Let's try to refresh the page, and now it's running. So let's see if we can reach the instance. And that didn't work. But if we remove the port, we can actually see the login window. So let's create some credentials here. This is for the administrative user. We could get a free license key for paid features if we wanted to, but for now I'm going to skip it. I don't want to save the password in the browser. And the very first thing I do is I go to my profile here, click on settings, and set the theme to dark theme, because it's better to see. That looks good. So our AI server is actually working, and now we can go on and start with the very first workflow.